Today, we will learn about character set in Java. To learn any language, one needs to start with the basic first. For example, when you started to learn English, you first learned the English alphabets, then to form words using these alphabets, and finally to construct sentences. You were also introduced to special characters and punctuation marks that are used in English like full stop, comma, question mark, etc. Programming languages follow the same pattern of learning, and Java, being a programming language, is not an exception to this. A character set is a defined list of characters recognized by the Java language. It is comprised of alphabets, letters A to Z in uppercase and A to Z in lowercase, numerics, digits 0 to 9, and special characters, that is exclamatory, percentage, curly braces, greater than, and etc. ASCII is the abbreviated form for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a 7-bit set of codes that allow 128 different characters, that is calculated by 2 raised to 7 equals to 128. This amount is enough for every uppercase letter, lowercase letter, digit and special character used in the English language keyboard. The table on the board shows some ASCII code examples. The character A has the binary value of 1000001, which is converted into its decimal value by the calculation shown on the board. Similarly, in this way, the other components of the table are shown below. Now, we will learn about UNICODE Character Set. UNICODE is an international character set designed to represent all the characters found in languages around the world such as English, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, French, German, etc. It can use between 8 to 32 bits to represent a character. Essentially, the first 128 characters in the UNICODE character set are the same as the ASCII character set, and the next 128 set of characters are the same as the extended ASCII character set. The rest are used to represent characters from all over the world, making it the largest set of characters. The table on the board shows some examples of letters represented using the UNICODE character set. You can refer to a specific UNICODE character using the escape sequence \U followed by its 4 digits hexadecimal code.
So that's it for today. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.